big one. This was Birds of Prey, Volume 2. And in this book contains Dinah, it's Black Canary, and of course Barbara Gordon's Oracle. You will see Nightwing in this book as well. And the famous picture where Nightwing is taking Barbara up in the air. You can see it here. The famous pose that we all see is actually in this story. So you can check it out. You can see how he has her at the circus. He tries to sugarcoat things for her. You know, it's very interesting. You watch Black Canary kick butt. And there's a surprise twist. But Guy Gardner has a clone of himself. Alien clone. Named, I believe his name is John. Let me see. Remember, click, his name is John, right? Yeah. I think his name is John. So it's a really interesting book. Check it out. It cost me $2.99. It would have cost me $20 otherwise. So they're great deals. Check them out.